All right, let's get that sink unblocked in just 3 minutes. Whether you're dealing with a slow drain or a complete blockage, we've got you covered. It's a common issue, but luckily, it's super easy to fix yourself. No need to call a plumber and spend extra money. First things first, make sure you've got some rubber gloves on and some protective eyewear. Safety first. You don't want to get your hands dirty or risk any splashes. Now let's see what we're dealing with. Take a good look at the sink and the drain area. If the water's not draining at all, chances are the blockage is close to the surface. Grab a plunger. This simple tool can often solve the problem quickly. Yep, the humble plunger can work wonders. It's a must-have in any household. Place it over the drain and give it a few firm pumps. Make sure you create a good seal for the best results. If you're lucky, this might just do the trick. But if not, don't worry. We have more tricks up our sleeve. No luck? No worries. Let's move on to the next method. Next, we'll try the trusty baking soda and vinegar method. This is a natural and effective way to clear blockages. Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. The combination will create a fizzing reaction. You're going to see some fizzing action. That's the magic happening. The reaction helps to break down the gunk. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the mixture time to work its way through the blockage. While we wait, let's talk about why this works. The science behind it is pretty cool. The baking soda and vinegar react to break down the gunk that's causing the blockage. The fizzing action helps to dislodge the debris. It's a natural, eco-friendly solution. Plus, it's safe for your pipes and the environment. All right, time's up. Let's move on to the next step. Now, boil a kettle of water and carefully pour it down the drain. The hot water helps to flush out any remaining debris. This should help flush out any remaining debris. Check to see if the water is draining smoothly now. Still blocked? Don't worry, we have one more method to try. Okay, time to get a bit more hands-on. We're going to check the U-bend or P-trap under the sink. Under the sink, locate the U-bend or P-trap. This is where blockages often occur. Place a bucket underneath to catch any water or gunk. This will prevent a mess. Unscrew the connectors and remove the trap. Be prepared for some water to spill out. Clean out any debris. You might be surprised at what you find. Sometimes it's hair, food particles, or other gunk. Once it's clean, reattach the trap, making sure everything's nice and tight. Double-check the connections to avoid leaks. Run some water to check your handiwork. Make sure the water flows smoothly without any leaks. All clear? Awesome! You've successfully unblocked your sink. If you're still having trouble, you might want to consider a chemical drain cleaner as a last resort, but be sure to follow the instructions carefully. These can be harsh, so use them sparingly. And there you have it. You've tackled a common household problem with ease. Unblocking your sink doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a few simple steps, you can handle it yourself. With these tips, you can save yourself a call to the plumber and tackle the problem head-on. It's satisfying and cost-effective. Got any other DIY dilemmas? We're here to help with all your home improvement needs. Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and happy unblocking. See you in the next video.